Welcome to Leadtek Display. Today we are going to introduce the LTK070WSHLM05V0 LCD TFT module. With a normally black display type and a resolution of 1024x RGB x 600, it delivers brilliant visuals in a compact size. Enjoy clarity from any angle with all-direction viewing. Operates reliably from -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. With storage capabilities from -30 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius. Equipped with an RGB interface and 30 white LED backlights. For seamless compatibility and stunning illumination. High clarity display. High brightness. Compact design. Versatile viewing. Interface and backlight. Application: Smart Industry.